Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're well. This is just a very short video just to let you know that I'm organising another community camp and paddle, or caddle and pamp as I mistakenly called it one time. And once again we're going to the Breighton Ferry, which is just south of Selby. The dates are 14th, 15th and 16th of October. Sorry, look, there's a heron flying over there. That just caught my eye. Yeah, 14th, 15th and 16th of October. So that's Friday the 14th to Sunday the 16th. Some people last time, they just rocked up on the Saturday and went for a paddle with us, but the majority camped. And that's the plan, to camp at the Breighton Ferry. There are facilities there, toilet facilities and so on. You can buy a bit of food, but to be honest with you, you're better off bringing your own. And the great thing is, it's only £5 a night. So that's £10 per person for 2 nights. Which isn't a lot, is it? 10 quid? Or 5 quid if you just stay for a night. Bargain. The plan this time is to head down to Barmby Barrage from the Breighton Ferry on the Saturday morning for say 9, 10ish, I'm not quite sure yet. I need to speak to Steve at the Barmby Barrage, find out what time we can get in there. Now the Barmby Barrage is the very end of the River Derwent, and it's where the Derwent confluences with the Ouse. And it's 5 miles from there up to the Breighton Ferry. So what my thinking was we shuttle down in a few cars with all the boats in each respective car, get inflated, that kind of stuff. Then we all paddle upstream, leaving the cars there, and then we can leave the boats inflated at the camp, and then 2 or 3 of us can shuttle the car owners down that carried everybody down to collect the cars and, you know, do a shuttle run. And I think that would be a nice paddle, and it's a different approach to what we did last time. So yeah, that's the plan. If you're interested, drop a comment on here and let me know, or get in touch with me through my email address that you can find on my YouTube page in the about or contact section. I can't quite remember which. And what I'll do is, if I've got your phone number, I'll add you to the WhatsApp group that I've used to create and organise these events, so you can chat with everybody that's part of the group. All right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want to come, as I say, let me know. Cheerio.